Or is it one rule for young black boys from the Caribbean and another for white boys from the United States?
As of today, him not go in bed go sleep good. As of today, Boris Johnson, you not go in bed go sleep good. You put him under the skull. Yeah, put the skull on him. Yeah. Yeah, man, put the skull on him. Yes, man, put the skull on him.
Blessed love all, I'm a lion, I'm a lioness. I hope within your life all is blessed. If nothing is at 100%, please don't stress. Just do your best and leave God for do the rest. If you haven't done so yet, I'm asking you to please and thanks. Click the like button, subscribe and help the channel grow, and click the notification bell. By doing so, you will always get that update, that alert, that notification whenever I post a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. Yes, my lion and my lioness, I hope all is blessed. This review is about the deportation of the Jamaicans that got sent home from prison, you know what I mean, from London, UK, by Boris Johnson, you know what I mean, and the Labour Party, Jeremy Corbyn, the MPs asking questions, you know what I mean, and also Ellie Lewis took it up on his hand to meet in the cemetery with Boris Johnson. Picture, lighting the candle on the skull, dashing away Roman silver. I know, say, I don't pay you silver and them thing you pay them saying. So, yeah, but watch the video first, and then we're going to talk, and we'll look at reasoning after. You see me? Blessed love.
This cruel and callous government is trying to mislead the British people into thinking it's solely deporting foreign nationals who are guilty of murder, rape and other very serious offences. This is clearly not the case. Take the example of a young black boy who came to the UK aged 5 and is now being deported after serving time for a drugs offence. If there was a case of a young white boy with blonde hair who later dabbled in Class A drugs and conspired with a friend to beat up a journalist, would he deport that boy, or is it one rule for young black boys from the Caribbean and another for white boys from the United States?
Yes, my lion and my lioness, you know what I mean, because myself, I hope all is blessed. This review, when we get this first and straight, this review is not about racism or race or whatever, you know what I mean. It's just about the facts and truth and rights. I say Jeremy Corbyn of the Labour Party, the minister, he just lost out against Boris Johnson to be the Prime Minister of England. But Boris Johnson won him, you know, beat him massively. You know what I mean? Yeah, Mr. Corbyn, he lost heavily when it come to votes. And like, he was so disgusted and disappointed. Me disappointed because Labour, me say, you see me? Yeah, but he might ask the question, if it was a white person, a white boy, blonde from America, and his questions is pertaining to Boris Johnson, because those of you who don't know, Boris Johnson was born in America, you know what I mean, to his parents who are British but reside in America. So he came back to London, studied and lived here, you know, and ended up seeing around the country, you know what I mean. So it looked like Boris Johnson when he was much younger. He used to dabble in cocaine and the whole of them sniff cocaine anyway. You know what I mean? And him and him friend, you know what I mean, plot, you know what I mean, to beat up a journalist. So that Mr. Corbyn dig up his past, you know. As you can see reaction upon his face by how long he made Boris Johnson. You get me, so I did my research to find out if it was true or if it was him who, you know, but I didn't see nothing regarding that. I know them can wipe out them thing there already. So like Boris Johnson got in trouble for plotting to beat up a journalist, him and his friend, and they used to deal in drugs, you know, sniff cocaine and all of them things there. You get me? But I don't know the white, you know. White habit say white people in superior and black are inferior. Them now have no pity upon the black race. You see me? And Jamaican help build England. Jamaica and England are like mother and father, brother and sister. You know what I mean? Yeah, them give you independence. You see it, and if you see them treat black people, so Jamaicans, so it's not nice. And them boy, they are big racists. You see me? They don't like black people. Yeah, man. You get me? So I don't know Jeremy Corbyn, but the Labour Party have themselves to blame because they were the one who imposed the law. You know, if you say if you do time, you're supposed to get sent back home. And Labour Party did bring it in, you know, a few years back. You get me? So now the Conservative say, why you complaining now and I want to bring in the law? But when they bring in the law, it wasn't really active. A lot of people never used to get deported. You know what I mean? But now the conservative is taking it up and make sure that I go on. The judge did order that said the plane must not leave. You know what I mean? And them still sailing along the plane. You get me? Them still sailing along the plane behind the judge back. You get me? Even some of the youth them on the plane, none more Jamaica, them there for them a youth. They don't know nothing about Jamaica. But them just end up in a trouble and boy, me I tell you start no nice. People, I want to leave on the views and reviews. I'm going to cut here now. Yeah, done now. I'm going to leave and I'm going to see a look a piece of L.A. Lewis footage. L.A. Lewis with the skull in him and them thing there. Yeah. Don't take him polite and them thing there. Really sitting that. When you see man got a graveyard with a name, or a picture, and a light candle, it's real, yeah. It's real.
Boris Johnson people, we're going to deal with them case wicked. Let me the skull there. Yeah man, see it people, real skull. Yeah, see it without the cemetery. But tell him to the ramp with me now. Like and share the show people. The local one there, him call and apologize people. So me not bother do him nothing. But the higher authority call, big up the secret society.
Okay.
And some of a fix Boris Johnson people.
Yeah.
So we're going to show them say we are a real thing with a run joke. People, remember the Chinese, them we did the Chinese the last time when they ramp with the Maroons, you know. I don't me come tell them so we're going to beat them bad. The only reason people why we never beat them too bad and why we never beat them too bad are because Andrew is a Jamaican. So we take it part way. Alright. And two have to work with Andrew, but Andrew, don't force for Andrew.
Alright,
It's like, I don't know if Andrew advise them people, the Prime Minister, and lead him because Andrew is a good old people.
Yeah, man, that's true.
You see that people.
Yeah.
So Boris Johnson people, let me tell you what I'm to him. See that?
Give it again.
What is there? Alright.
Yeah, so we are left it too.
Alright people, see that?
See it there?
And a long time thing, see there?
See it there, we don't play. At times it's like L.A. Lewis a play. Remember,
Yeah.
you know, Mr. Andrews, don't fuck around
Sir.
like a duck.
Tell him don't ramp with the Zioneers and people. So we're gonna fix him, see my people.
We don't play.
Because first thing him do him disrespect the Queen of England. The plane wasn't to left. And in spite of strict orders and things from the parties them, him still send it. We're gonna show people so we're gonna ramp because we're gonna make them know so we're strong. Remember you know? Everything we know.
We don't take check and we don't play.
We not take check and we not play.
We not scared and we not fear.
And we not scared and we not fear. You understand? So Boris Johnson, see there, we left you down on the wall with a skeleton head for you. And look later we come bury you. And the candle and the incense them a run. We give the ancestors them time for go play with you. So tonight you not, a matter of fact this morning you not sleep good in your bed. See the people?
Yes.
Yeah. So we stay from Jamaica and reach here anywhere you want in the world. And any day you call me name too hard, the spirit them just come chop off your neck. Shubba 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 shubba. Don't run for the people. Kulma ma shumba ma humba ma humba ma pum 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 pumba. Boris Johnson, repent from your evilous ways. You will not be free until I make a public apology to the England people them, to the black people them, because he's a racist. Racism, we think it done in them 2000 and 2000 time here. But we are mash down people. Because I'm on a mission and I care for flows. We're tired of where we're going.
And we don't have no to put them. We have put them. People never play just to the people. We don't be careful and say, it's serious thing on me and L.A. Lewis a snake in pan and snake man the name. Alright, come on.
Yes. Make sure the snake man put on the purple hat. That means a royalty there for your Boris Johnson. He's a little minion. He's a little dirty thinking Prime Minister.